All right, everyone. Today we're at the Homewood Suites in Conroe, Texas. So we have a double queen bedroom. I just walked in through the main area, and then if you come over here to this side, there is a dishwasher and a little coffee maker, and then we've got cabinetry up here. It comes with a microwave and a stovetop with a sink, more cabinets. And then over here, so for the stove, it looks like there's 2 hot plates on there, like 2 areas for you to cook, which is nice. And then you turn the corner over, and this corner right here is a stainless steel fridge. It's like pretty good size too. The ice bucket's up at the top. Let me open that. It's very spacious. It's got shelving, which is really nice. And then let me check the fridge. Lots of compartments, which is very nice. Almost like your fridge at home. Okay, so that's the little kitchenette part of the room. And then right over here is your workstation. So there's cubbies for you to put stuff in, whatever you need. They've got a desk lamp, which is really nice because I know lighting in hotels can be dim sometimes, but they actually they have a desk lamp. And then if you look, there's a lamp on top. So you got extra brightness for doing your work. And then it looks like they have this nice rolly chair for you to sit in and do your work. Then you come over this way and you've got like your seating area. We've got lamps, we've got a couch, and then this little artsy thing. It's an ottoman with a table, and it fits in. So I guess like if you wanted to maximize your space, you can shove that under there, or if you want to pull it out to seat more people or whatever. Over here is the curtains and everything. Then over here we have the TV with the remote, and then there's more room for drawers. And then if you look over this way, I'm gonna back up this way so you can kind of get the full effect. So there is one of the queen beds, and there's the second. You've got the lighting in between, like usual. There's a clock. I'm assuming it's an alarm clock. Let's go check it out. Yep, there's a snooze and a dimmer. So this is an alarm clock, and it's got lots of outlets to charge whatever you need, which is really nice. And then another pull-out drawer. And then I don't know if you could see, so I'm gonna back up one more time really quick before kind of get the full effect of how big the room is. It is a suite size room, kind of like a studio. So it's very spacious, which is nice. Then you come around here, and then here is the bathroom. You've got your sink, and your it has body lotion, actually, is what's on the wall. And then there's towels to dry your hands and a bar soap, all that stuff. They've got extra toilet paper, they've got extra towels, they've got Kleenex right there. They've got your trash can, lots of cabinets. And then if you turn around and open this, you can see they've got stuff you can hold your luggage. They have an ironing board, an iron, extra blankets, and lots of hangers, which is very nice. Like if you're going to a formal event, you can hang your things up. And then the last stop on the way is the bathroom. So once you've passed the closet and the sink, you come in here. Here's the toilet, and then plenty of towels. And I really like the blue and gray theme. Those are my favorite colors, so that's why. But I think it looks really nice and really like modern and clean looking. And then I'm gonna back up so I can show you guys. Here's the bathtub, and then there's the shower curtain. They've got stuff for you to, if you brought your own, you can hold it there. Handlebar. And then there's a plug if you wanted to take a bath. And then up on the wall, they've got the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel all ready for you. So that has been the room tour at the Homewood Suites in Conroe, Texas. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.